If turkey feels boring, you're cooking it wrong. Let me show you 5 completely different meals from one simple ingredient. Fast, family friendly, freezer friendly, and absolutely not bland. Welcome to watch it. That was 5 really fast and easy ideas how to survive with kids if you don't have time, and how to make dinner or lunch like this fast. If you're using your freezer preps, of course. So I hope you like it. For the third dish, we will use minced turkey meat. You have to put it to the skillet and fry it, and then you have to add some onion and bell pepper inside this and fry it together. So first, let's add Greek yogurt. Add a clove of garlic. Some salt. Put it here, and now chop some dill. It should be very, very small. And the rest ingredient is cucumber. And now put cucumber. Okay, so we will use it later. Okay, take a skillet and add beans here. Mix it. Let's put this stuff inside with veggies and beans and meat. So everything here. Let's add a piece of cheese. And I think more. And of course sauce. Now wrap it. Like this. And we will put it to the skillet. Let's flip it. I love it. So now it's ready, and let's cut it. So hot. The smell is amazing. Let's try. Love it. That's a good snack. I truly recommend it. Okay, for the next dishes we will use stewed turkey, which is like shredded turkey, and I vacuumed it and sealed it, and now it's ready to go. And so Let's make some pasta with it. It has two ingredients, the shredded turkey and some sauce. The sauce has oregano inside and some spices, so you have to just mix it and put some pasta inside, and it's delicious. You can use any pasta, any kind of pasta you want. We need to survive, so we need to do everything fast because kids are really hungry and I'm really afraid of them. So first, let's boil potatoes in the salted water, and we will make mashed potatoes. In boiled potatoes, you have to add some milk and you have to mash it, and then add some salt and egg because you need this potato dough should be like sticky a little bit to make a shape. Let's add some oil on the bottom and let's start to combine it. So we'll put mashed potatoes on the bottom, a half of the whole amount. Put turkey meat. And now the rest of potatoes on the top. Butter on the top. And 10 minutes before it's ready, we will add cheese and it will melt on the top and it's ready. Let's add some cheese. I've got slices of cheese. The shredded is better. And put it to the oven for 5 minutes. So your fast shepherd pie is ready and you can serve it and enjoy. For my previous meal preps in my fridge, I have shredded turkey with vegetables and I defrosted it. And now we will make two dishes with that. The first one will be galette with vegetables and turkey, and the second will be a like Asian style bowl
but not with fish, with turkey. Okay, let's start. Here we are. We have turkey, so we will use it later. I need to prepare vegetables for the bowl. We will make Asian style vegetables. So we will slice it very thin. Will be carrot and cucumber. We need to add minced garlic here, olive oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little bit of honey. And now we will close the container and shake it. And let it marinate here. We need avocado. So slice it. So we have a bowl of rice, and we need to put shredded turkey on one side, like that. Avocado. Okay. And we'll put our veggies. And I want to add some chickpeas. Chickpeas, protein. And I want to add some seaweeds. Here, the bowl is ready. Fast. It took me, I don't know, like 10 minutes because I sliced these veggies and it was the slowest process. But here we are, the balanced meal is ready. Okay, let's make a dough for galette.
We will need 100 grams of butter, so let's weigh it.
And now 200 grams of flour.
A little bit of iced water. When the dough is ready, put it to the fridge for 30 minutes.
For the last dish, we need to prepare veggies. So we will need bell pepper, pumpkin strips, half of cherry tomatoes, you have to make it thin because it's not a pie, it's a galette. I think it's enough. Now we will put it here. And now let's put all the filling here. So what we will need? First turkey. Put vegetables on the top. Strips of bell pepper. That's enough.
And now we will close the galette like this.
Okay, now put it to the oven.
Okay. The galette is ready. So I love it. It's so beautiful. Now I want to try it because I'm so hungry. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, I'm ready to try it because I'm so hungry. Oh! It's so hot. I love the dough. It's like a cracker and meat and vegetables. It's perfect. I'll have to try it for sure. So we finished all 5 very quick recipes. They're quick if you have meal preps in your freezer, of course. All these meal preps from the fridge you can see in the previous videos and in the next videos, of course. So give me a like and subscribe my channel, recommend it to your friends. I hope you liked it, because you know, now I showed you how you can survive with kids if you don't want to die in the kitchen, because I don't want. I want to make everything fast and delicious and healthy and have some time for myself. Okay, guys, see you next video. Bye!